Let's talk about the 3 biggest mistakes made by first-time filmmakers. Every filmmaker starts somewhere, and when you're making your first film, mistakes are going to happen. And that is part of the process. But some mistakes can set you back big time, wasting time, money, and energy. In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 biggest mistakes by first-time filmmakers, and how you can avoid them. Number 1 is rushing into production without a plan. The biggest mistake by far is jumping into production way too soon. And I get it, you want to grab a camera and start shooting, but filmmaking isn't just about the shoot. It's about the preparation before the shoot. So here's what happens when you skip proper planning. You run out of time and money because you didn't budget properly. Your actors and crew get frustrated because things are disorganized. You get to the edit and you realize that you're missing key shots. The best way to avoid this is to spend time in pre-production. Storyboard or shot list every scene so that you know exactly what you need. Rehearse with your actors before the shoot so that they feel comfortable, and make a production schedule that allows enough time to get everything done. Rushing into production without a plan guarantees problems. And trust me, I have done this more than my fair share in the past. A few extra weeks of pre-production will save you months of fixing mistakes later. Number 2 is bad sound. Ignoring audio quality. Most first-time filmmakers focus only on the visuals, but bad audio is what kills a film faster than anything else. Audiences will forgive a slightly shaky shot or a low-budget look, but if they can't hear the dialogue clearly, they'll stop watching. So here is how to avoid bad sound. Don't rely on your camera's built-in microphone. It will pick up everything in the environment, making dialogue muddy and hard to understand. Use an external mic. A shotgun mic or a lavalier mic will make a world of difference. Monitor your sound while you are recording. Wear headphones so that you can catch any background noise before it ruins your take. If you get nothing else right, at least make sure your audience can hear what's being said. Number 3 is making the edit too long. A lot of first-time filmmakers struggle to cut things down. You've spent so much time filming every shot, every scene, and it is hard to let anything go. But here is the thing. Shorter is almost always better. Your first cut will be too long, and that is normal, but your job is to trim the fat. Every scene needs to serve the story. If a moment doesn't push the story forward, then cut it. As the saying goes, don't be afraid to kill your darlings. That one shot that you love, if it slows down the pacing, then it's gotta go. A good rule of thumb is if you think a scene is dragging, your audience definitely will. Keep the edit tight. Keep the pacing strong and respect your audience's time. To recap, the 3 biggest mistakes first-time filmmakers make are rushing into production without a plan, ignoring sound quality, making the edit too long. And if you avoid these, you'll already be ahead of 90% of first-time filmmakers. Filmmaking is a learning process, and every project will teach you something new. So plan well, focus on sound, and be ruthless in the edit. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.